Hi guys! Today I'm going to make some oven-dried apple slices and then use the leftover scraps to make vinegar. Some of the best apples for dehydrating are Honeycrisp, Fuji, Golden Delicious and Gala, but in general any sweet apple will do. To keep the apples from browning, dip the slices in a lemon juice solution.
Hi guys, we'll put some lemon in here.
Don't forget to peel and slice the apples. Do not throw away the peels and the cores. I will show you what you can do with them later in the video. Let the apple slices soak for about 30 minutes, then drain. In the meanwhile, prepare your oven rags and line them with parchment paper. Drain the apples and pat them dry between 2 kitchen towels. Move them onto the racks. I recommend starting this in the morning because it's going to take a couple of hours. Set the oven to drying at 140 degrees. I am using a convection oven. If you don't have one, keep the doors slightly open. It will take around 6 to 10 hours to finish. Let the apples cool off for at least 20 minutes. If there's still little moisture in the apple, put it back in the oven for another 30 minutes.
If you try this, you'll really like it.
My apple slices took 7.5 hours in total to completely dry out. Oven-dried apple slices make a healthy and tasty snack. You can use them in beverages like mulled wine or to make some fruit tea. There are multiple things you can make with the apple peels and cores. To name a few, it's apple jelly, apple butter, and apple pectin. I have already made enough sweet gems for this year, so I will try to make an apple scrap vinegar instead. It's worth mentioning that the apples should be organic to use the peels. Try not to pack it too tight, as you will need to stir it every day for 1 week. If you don't have organic apples, just use the cores to make the vinegar. Make a solution of 1 cup of non-chlorinated filtered water and 1 tablespoon of sugar. Here I'm using about 3.5 cups for my quart mason jar. Cover with a coffee filter and let it ferment at room temperature for 1 week. Remember to stir the contents every day. The liquid will get frothy at the top. After 1 week, strain the liquid. Let it ferment for up to 4 more weeks, depending on your desired taste. Remember to stir the vinegar every day. Once you are happy with how sour the vinegar tastes, you can strain it to get rid of the sediments. Cap the bottle and store away from direct heat or light. You can use this vinegar in salad or for cleaning.
Done. Bye. Happy New Year.
Thanks for watching and wish you a Happy New Year.